So the problem I've had this morning is the poor old BT Wi-Fi disc got knocked off the shelf and the foot came off, but I could not just snap the foot back on again. So with one foot it doesn't stand up on its own. So what I've done is I've taken it apart. Now there's no screws in the back at all, it's just clips. So all you need to do is get some jeweler's screwdrivers, some really thin small ones, and just work your way around the edges without going in too deep, and then just gradually work your way around and the top part will just come off. Okay, so that's the lid. Then once we get inside, it's basically got a spring. One foot is fine, just doing the other foot really. So there's the outer part, but the part on the inside it's just really come loose, and I can literally just take it out. There you go. So it's come loose. So now we've just got a hole in the bottom. So it is a simple looking, and I say simple as long as we can get to the parts that we need to get to, as in just to clip it back on through. So that part looks like it goes this way with the, to match the other one. All I'm really going to do is just match the other one. So the hook part, there's a little hole in the top. So the hook part, we need to have it from the inside out. Make sure the spring's on properly. A pair of small pliers will help. That's it. So that's that way. So it's in now, I think. So it appears the easiest thing to do, instead of trying to fiddle around in this little cavity here, which you've still got to do in a way, is to take off the whole thing. Now it's only held down by 3 screws, so it's really easy. 1, 2, 3 on the back here. Then you can just move it back into position and put the screws back in when you're finished. So we're back onto this again, but hopefully with a bit more space. Okay. Oh my God. What a pain in the arse. So I'm going to bring this up here really nice and close. So in case you're fixing it. So both my feet are facing backwards now. Here's the left one, what the left one should look like. Spring end facing you, and the same on the other one. The spring end is facing this way. And then this part, the other end of the spring is caught behind the plastic. And then the same on the other one. I don't think you can see it because it's right in the back there, down here. And then this one, can you see that? You can probably see that one because it's shining there, on that one. Okay. So just make sure that both ends of the spring are kind of facing you, and you should be okay. Otherwise you'll find out the feet are going to be in a different position. So putting it back together should be just as easy as it was taking it apart, hopefully, he says. So 3 screws. And finally this one, if we can get it out. Yeah. Okay, so we lost some clips when we were taking it apart. Quite a few actually. I think it was about 3. But one was from the clip here that's holding in one of the antenna. Yeah, I think that was the only one. The other 2 were on the top here. So I'm hoping the clamshell is still going to clip together. So I'm just lining up the LED section on the bottom. I'm really just going to snap it together and it's done. So yeah, it went together okay with those couple of plastic clips that are broken off, so I shouldn't worry too much. And we're back to how it was sitting up, so that's good. Job done. Painful though. I'll see you later.